Hello and welcome to another session from Career and Professional Development at Mercy University. My name is Mariana Yerby and I am the Deputy Director of Career Education. In this session, I will be going over the top 5 strategies for a successful search. This session is being offered as part of our Spring 2024 Career Academy series. This semester's theme is Success Strategies for Your Job or Internship Search. I'm here to give you an overview of the strategies you should be thinking about. Our other sessions will dive deeper into your search to set you up for success. Students who complete 5 out of the 6 Career Academy sessions will earn a digital badge and be entered into our prize raffle. Watch to the end of this session to learn about counting your attendance and visit the Career Academy website to learn more about your badge and the raffle entry. Let's dive right in. These are our top 5 tips, which we will explain one by one. Tip number 1, start early. According to the National Center for Education Statistics, on average it takes college graduates 6 months to find a job after graduation. This means if you want to have a job lined up for you when you graduate, you need to plan for it a semester in advance. Having a plan is key to your success. You've heard the old saying, finding a job is a full-time job. There is some truth to that. The job search process takes time, so you want to be ready for that. Having said that, you don't need to spend 40 hours a week searching for a job either. You want to build in some time every week for the search to make sure you're moving forward. The more organized you are, the more manageable this will be. Try setting up alerts on your favorite job boards and scheduling time to browse postings or reach out to employers at set times throughout the week. We also highly recommend you keep track of your applications to make it easier. We have a sample job search tracking spreadsheet to share. This is an example of a job search tracking spreadsheet based on the career platform, the Muse. You can create your own or use this one as a template. Just scan the QR code to download this version and edit it as you see fit. You can see we track company name, position title, posting link, date found, date applied, and so on. Of course, you can modify to meet your needs, but the goal is to stay organized and be prepared for any response from an employer regarding one of your applications. Tip number 2, diversify your approach. Online applications are a great place to start and should be a part of your search, but they can't be your only strategy. Online applications have a low return on landing interviews, so you need to focus on meeting people and working your network as well. Look everywhere. I mean everywhere. Tell everyone you're looking for a job and specify which type of job if you can. Start with Handshake, Mercy's own internship and job database. The opportunities listed there come directly from employers who want to hire Mercy students and graduates. Don't rely on this only, though. Attend your university's career and internship fair and employer information sessions. If you have a class, speak to your professor and get permission to attend, even if not the entire event. These events are organized to help you make connections, and nothing replaces face-to-face interaction. Check your Mercy email at least once a week to stay informed of events that are happening in your field. Join student clubs and professional associations. You will meet with like-minded students who can help you. Finally, don't rely solely on job boards such as Handshake. Remember to look for postings on companies' websites directly as well. Tip number 3, how to use your network. Let's remember who your network is. Your network is everyone you know. Your family, your friends, your professors, your classmates, your manager or ex-manager, your coworkers, everyone. Most people are glad to help you, so you want to communicate you're looking for a job and what type of job if possible, so your network can be on the lookout for you as well. Some people may be able to help with ideas, with referrals, or with contacts. Thank everyone and follow up as needed. Now that you know who your network is, remember you also need to grow it. Network with everyone. You already know how to. Just talk to people and show interest in them. Communication is 2 ways, so just ask questions and listen. You can start with your classmates and professors. Get to know them. As it turns out, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that 70% of all jobs are found through networking. Internships, if you haven't done one already, are another great way to meet people and gain valuable work experience. Some internships can also result in full-time job offers. Finally, make sure your LinkedIn profile is up to date and professional. According to Finances Online, 72% of recruiters use LinkedIn to recruit talent. Tip number 4, focus on quality over quantity. Although to some extent, the more jobs you apply to, the more chances you have of landing a job, you want to use your time wisely. You want to select those jobs where you're a good fit, not a perfect fit, a good fit. This means if you meet most of the job requirements, you should apply. Of course, we don't have a clear rule. You will have to judge what most is. Our career coaches can also help you figure out what most means to you as well. Pay attention especially to what you might be missing. Is it skills that you can learn easily or get training on? Most employers will offer on-the-job training, so keep that in mind. Make sure you tailor your resume and cover letter every time you apply, even if it's for 2 different positions in the same company. Read the job description carefully and try to use the same language in your resume and cover letter. For example, if the job description mentions they want somebody with a degree in social sciences and you have a bachelor in psychology, make sure to use the word degree in social sciences in your cover letter to make it as easy as possible for the recruiter to see the match. Chances are your resume will have to get through an applicant tracking system first, before it reaches a human. Applicant tracking systems rely on word matches to get your resume through, so that's why the language you use is so important. If you want to see how you fit in an applicant tracking system, you can use the free website jobscan.co and copy your resume and job description to see the level of fit and get valuable feedback. Tip number 5, stay open to opportunities. Be flexible. Keep an open mind about the kind of opportunities you're looking for. Stay open to meeting people and say yes to things outside your comfort zone. Sometimes an opportunity comes up that you weren't thinking about, but it could lead you in an amazing direction. Maybe you'll need to take a last-minute internship to add experience. Maybe you'll start working as a temp in your field. Maybe volunteer for an organization that matches your interests. This may not be the end goal, but it could help you advance in your job search. As always, we're here to help. Please reach out to cpd@mercy.edu if you have any questions or to set up an appointment with a career coach. Thank you for joining us for this session. Please don't forget to complete this survey to count your participation. I hope you feel confident answering all the questions, but you don't have to pass the quiz to have your attendance counted. You just need to submit it. Check out our upcoming events on our website so you don't miss opportunities to connect with employers. Email us at cpd@mercy.edu if you have any questions or would like to meet with a career coach. And do me a favor and give us a follow on Instagram. We're pushing out fun and educational content all the time. Thank you so much.